Does your organization still handle travel approvals, shift allowance approvals, or creche facility requests through emails or paper forms? Relying on manual processes can result in delays, errors, and a lack of visibility, challenges that only grow as your organization scales. Introducing greytHR's Request Hub, a centralized, automated solution to streamline your approval workflows. With customizable workflows, real-time monitoring, and enhanced reporting, you can eliminate manual processes and boost productivity across your organization. Now, let's look at how you can create a Request Hub workflow. Follow these simple steps. From the admin portal, go to Workflow, Setup, Workflow Levels. Here's how to set up a new policy. Click Add Workflow Levels. Under General Settings, select Workflow Type as Request Hub, add a policy name and policy description. Next, choose the request type that suits your company's requirements. You can also customize your request types by clicking here, and then apply an employee filter. Now, click Save Policy and next to move to Workflow Levels. In the Workflow Levels, select the Workflow Initiator, the individual authorized to initiate the request. After selecting the Workflow Initiator, you can assign a task to the reviewers by clicking the Add Task button. Provide the task name and description, and add any necessary attachments or forms. If required, you can make attachments mandatory by selecting the corresponding checkbox. Next, specify the number of levels required for the workflow. For each level, select the reviewer type from the drop-down menu, and define the application actions, such as approve and forward for multi-level reviews or reject to cancel the request. Additionally, set the auto-forward due days to ensure seamless progress. The auto-forward feature prevents any blockers by automatically forwarding the request to the next reviewer if the assigned reviewer does not take action within the specified timeframe. This ensures tasks move forward even if a reviewer doesn't take timely action. In Workflow Policy Settings, set an escalation duration and designate an escalation point for overdue requests. Now enable initiator actions, such as allowing initiators to reopen workflows or enabling auto-close for pending requests. For example, if the auto-close duration is 30 days, a request initiated on the 10th of December will close automatically on the 9th of January if no action is taken. Once configured, click Review and Submit to finalize your workflow policy. Finally, activate the draft policy so that it reflects it in the employee self-service portal. Please note that after activation, you can't edit the policy. If needed, you can delete it, which also removes it from the ESS portal. To explore more features of greytHR and optimize your HR processes, check out our other tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates.